In this video, I want to show you how to clear recent project list in ArcGIS Pro. This is important when you have series of recently open projects that is now confusing, or the name are similar and confusing you. So let's get started. To start, come and open your ArcGIS Pro. Here is my ArcGIS Pro. I'll click to open it. Yes, usually when you launch ArcGIS Pro, it brings this interface where you will see your recently opened projects. And here you can see my recent projects. You can see them here. The essence of recently open projects here is to help you easily navigate or open your recent open projects. However, there are times that it becomes confusing. For example, you can see my project 4 here, and you can see another my project 4 here. So this is a little bit confusing. You can see my project 3 here, and if I go down, there's another my project 3 here. So this can become confusing, and to avoid confusion, you may want to remove the list of recently opened project from here. So to do that, you can do it in two ways. It's either you remove the particular one you want to remove, or you can clear the whole project list. So to do that, first, right click the one you want to remove, and you can see remove project from list. If I click on it, you can see that it has been removed from the recently opened projects. Secondly, you can choose to remove all. And if you want to do that, just right click and click on clear recent projects. By so doing, all the projects, your recent project, will be clear from here. And this is necessary in a situation where the recently opened projects are so many or have similar names that are looking confusing. So this is how to do it in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.